What's up YouTube and welcome to the .NET C Sharp series, and this video is about nested if else statements. So let us comment the switch statement, and now what I want to do is I want to put a restriction that all of this program should get executed if only the user is aged above 18. So before performing any operation, we will say that enter int.parse and console.read line. So after taking this input, I want to give an error if the user is below the age 18. So I can put an nested if, so a super condition on my entire program. I can do if, let's put a condition that age is greater than 18 and the age is less than 60. This condition is for 19 to 59, but I don't want that. I want 18 and 60 to be part of this condition. So what I can do is I can put an equal over here. Now this condition has become from 18 to 60. Else what we would do is your age is out of range. So this is what a nested if else looks like. So we have an if, and inside this if we have more if. This is how a nested condition looks like. So it's asking me enter your age. Let's go with 65. It's saying your age is out of range. The range is this. So when I press the right range, let's say 18, then it's asking me for number, then it's giving me the right output. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.